So I just did 5 lines of cocaine and a bottle of Jack Daniels. I'm heading towards my vehicle, and I have my keys on me, but I just want to sleep it off in the back seat. Tell me what's going to happen.
Well, I think, first of all, it's commendable that you don't want to get behind the wheel after you've been intoxicated. And a lot of people think that's the right thing to do. I'm too drunk. I've been partying hard. I'm too high. I'm not going to drive. I'm just going to sleep it off. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to drive. And then they hear a knock on their window and they're charged with care and control. And they call me like, hey, I did the right thing. I didn't drive. How come I'm being charged with an impaired driving offense? And the law is such that if there's a chance or if there's a reasonable likelihood, I think it is, that the vehicle could be set in motion when you're drunk, you could still be charged with care and control. And here's the crazy thing. The punishment for sleeping it off and not driving is the same as if you actually rolled the dice and you put a bunch of innocent lives at risk and you drove. So the care and control provisions treat it like you were driving anyway. So it's not a good idea for you to sleep it off in the vehicle if you have your keys, which poses some problems for people that have been, kicked out of a house because they've been too drunk. They have nowhere to go and it's in the winter. They're either going to freeze to death or they're going to start the vehicle and stay warm and then sleep, and then they'll be charged with care and control. One thing that you could do though is try and make the keys as far away from you as possible, because that really weakens any presumptions or inferences they could draw about whether or not the vehicle will be set in motion or whether you'll be driving. So I remember there's this case once, I don't remember the name of the case exactly, but someone put their keys like 40 yards away in a farmer's field, and then they went to sleep, and that eliminated the presumption that there was a risk that the vehicle could be set in motion. So if you do have to sleep it off, put the keys as far away as possible. If you could keep them in a residence or whatever, that might help you. But the best thing to do is not to sleep in a vehicle when you're intoxicated with the keys present.